Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create or update Mailercloud subscriber on contact form 7 submission. So here, as a digital marketer, I am using contact form 7 on my website to capture the leads. So I want that as soon as a new lead is going to visit my website, they are going to submit the contact form 7 with their details such as name, email, phone number. Then automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my Mailercloud account. That is the email marketing application which I'm using to follow up with the emails to all these leads. To automate the entire process, we will have to set up the connection between contact form 7 and Mailercloud, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically create members in Mailercloud for every contact form submission. So as a digital marketer, I'm using contact form 7 on my website to capture the leads. I want that as soon as an interested lead is going to visit my website, they are going to submit their details in the lead form with the help of contact form 7 through my website. Automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber, or we can say as a member in Mailercloud, so that I will be able to communicate with them through email campaigns and follow up them to convert them into payable customers. Now, to automate the entire process of adding the leads from contact form 7 towards Mailercloud, we will have to build the connection between contact form 7 and Mailercloud, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let's get started quickly. Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software that helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without any coding or programming skills, simply by connecting our work applications. So today, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be connecting contact form 7 with Mailercloud. So we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. As an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Create or update Mailercloud subscriber on contact form 7 submission. After giving the name to my workflow, now I am going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. For different kind of workflows, I have created separate folders. Now the current automation which I am going to set up is related to lead management, so that I can manage my lead by adding them in my email marketing. So automations for lead management will be my folder which I have selected. Now I'm going to click on create. In a similar manner, you can also create separate folders on the dashboard, so that you will have a convenience of saving all the workflows of same kind in a single folder. Okay. Now you can see that here a new screen is open in front of us, which contains a blank workflow with two windows. So the blank workflow which we have to fill up in order to complete our automation contains trigger and actions. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger here says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that every time I'm going to receive a new lead through the contact form 7 submission, automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my Mailercloud account. That is my email marketing. Okay. So here, for that, I'm going to take contact form 7 in trigger and Mailercloud in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, you will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through contact form 7 submission, then only that lead will be added in Mailercloud, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application. That will be contact form 7. So let's select that quickly. Now on the happening of which event in contact form 7 you want to start your workflow. So I want that when a new form will be submitted in contact form 7, then my workflow should start. So you can see here I have selected my trigger application as contact form 7. Also the trigger event is selected. Now we have to build the connection between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect. So here for that you can see we have received a webhook URL, and also here we have received some instructions. Basically we have to follow the given instructions step by step carefully to insert the webhook URL inside our contact form 7 account. And as we will do that, the connection will be successfully made, and also then the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new form submission in contact form 7 towards Pabbly Connect. So let's simply copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to take you towards my contact form 7 account. Okay, so here this is the contact form 7 account, and these are all the forms I have in my contact form 7. Okay, you can see that. Now basically contact form 7 is the plugin of WordPress. So first of all, to access contact form 7 you have to go towards WordPress, and you have to install the plugin contact form 7 from the plugin section. As you will do that and you will activate it, then you have to build the connection. So as I have already installed contact forms and also I've created the form, so I'm going to go towards contact forms now from the left side, as you can see. And when we'll scroll down, these are all the forms which we have. Among all these forms, we have to set up a connection between a specific form and Pabbly Connect, so that when that specific form will be submitted, then only the response should be captured. So this is my form with the name as lead form, which I want to connect with Pabbly Connect to generate the lead. So now I'm going to go towards edit option of this lead form. And as we have done that, you can see that a new option is open in front of us for lead form. So we'll select webhook from here. And now after coming on webhook option, here we have to select this checkbox of integrate, send to webhook. Then you have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect in this webhook URL field. And then you will scroll down. You will see that all these fields are going to be sent towards Pabbly Connect when the form will be submitted. What? First name, last name, phone number, and the email of the lead. Okay, this is the data which is going to be sent to webhook. So let's click on save now. And as we have done that, we'll scroll up and we'll click on save from here as well. So now our changes are saved. This means our lead form is connected with Pabbly Connect. As we have built this connection, now we will come back towards Pabbly Connect, and it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now we have to do a test submission. How we are going to do that? By simply submitting the lead form which we have recently connected with Pabbly Connect. So for this, once again, I'm going to take you towards my contact form 7 account, and I'm going to go towards the pages. Here we'll go towards pages. And after coming over here, you can see that we have the ID of the form. So let's copy it. This is the form ID, and we'll go towards the pages from top. Okay, so we'll select pages and we'll go towards all pages. And now I'm going to search the form with the ID over here in the page section. Here we have the form with the ID, we have searched it. So now I'm going to click on view. As we have done that, the form is open in front of us. So now in order to submit the form, I'm going to use some dummy details. As I will submit the form because it is already connected with Pabbly Connect, the response of the form with all the details which we are going to submit over here are going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect instantly and automatically. So let's get started. Let's say the first name of the lead who is submitting this form is best, and let's say the last name is lead. Let's say the phone number is this, and here we have the email. Okay, as we have entered all the details, let's click on submit. As soon as we have submitted the form, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and you can see that the response is automatically captured over here. In the response, we have received the same details which we have submitted in the form, and same as I have told you that these details are going to be captured. First name, last name, phone number, and the email. And the details are exactly the same. So this means our connection between contact form 7 and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new form is going to be submitted in contact form 7, by the lead from the website, automatically the response is going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect with all the details of that lead. Now our objective is to add this lead who has submitted the contact form directly towards Mailercloud as subscriber. So now our objective is to build the connection between Mailercloud and Pabbly Connect. For that, let's go towards our action step in Pabbly Connect, and let us select Mailercloud as our action application. Then we have to select the action event. What you want to perform? I want to create or update a subscriber. So here create, update a subscriber will be the action event, and let's click on connect to build the connection. Okay, you can see I am already logged into my Mailercloud account. To build this connection, you also have to make sure that you are already logged in. And now I'm going to select add new connection to show you that how you can create a new connection with Mailercloud account. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. As I've selected add new connection, now we have to provide the API key. To enter the API key, the instructions are given over here that how you're going to get it. You can find API key under your Mailercloud account, navigate to accounts and integrations and click on API integrations. So now I'm going to take you towards my Mailercloud account. You can see from the left side in the bottom, we have the profile option. When we select it here, we have the option of account. After coming on account, we have to go towards integrations and then we have to select API key. Let's click on this create API key button and we have to provide a name to the API key. So for whichever reason you are setting up this connection, you can give the name according to that. Let's suppose the name of my API key is new key. Okay, now I'm going to generate the key by clicking on this generate key button. And as we have done that, the API key is generated successfully. So I'm going to click on OK. The new key is ready. So I'm going to simply copy it. We will move back and we will quickly paste it over here. Now let's click on save. And as we have done that, you can see that the connection between Mailercloud and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now we just have to enter the details in these fields to create a subscriber. So first of all, let's start with a list. In which list in your Mailercloud account you want to add these leads. So you can see I have following list: Instagram leads, website leads, LinkedIn form leads, and Jot form leads. I'm going to take you back towards Mailercloud. We will go towards the audience section and we'll go towards list. You can see that these are all the lists I have. I am capturing the leads from website with the help of contact form 7. So in website leads, I want to add the leads. So I'm going to select the same from the drop down. Okay. Then you have to enter the email of the lead. Okay. So I have already received all the details of my lead in my earlier response. Among these details, we have also received the email. So directly I'm going to map the email from this step only. So as I've mapped the email like this, it has become dynamic. And this means that with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So now every time a new lead is going to be received through contact form 7 from the website, automatically this email is going to replace with a new email of that new lead. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. Not only the email, but we are going to map all of the details as well. So first of all, let's map the first name. If you have received the middle name, you can also map that. I'm going to map the last name. We will map the phone number of the lead as well. We have not received the country, city, etc. So I'm going to ignore these fields and directly now I'm going to click on save and send test request button. So as we have mapped all these details, automatically these details are going to replace. If you will enter the data manually over here by typing or by copy and pasting, it will become static and then it is not going to replace. Here you can see that the response is captured. It is saying batch contacts processed. So now I'm going to take you towards my Mailercloud account. We will go towards our list website leads. And over here, you can see we have all the contacts. Among these contacts, we also have a new contact with the same email, best789@pabblytudes.com, and the name is best. And I'm going to go towards view. You will see that we have all the details. This means our connection between contact form 7 and Mailercloud is absolutely successful. So once we have set up this connection, now we are going to test whether the connection is working fine or not, whether our workflow is running fine or not. So I'm going to take you back towards the lead form and here I'm going to refresh it quickly. And with some new details this time, I'm going to once again submit the form. Let's say this time the name is good. Let's say the last name is lead. Here we have the phone number and I'm going to enter the email as well. good48@pabblytudes.com. As soon as I will submit this form, you can see that the message is sent. So now I'm going to once again take you towards Mailercloud. We'll go back. We'll go towards contacts and you can see that yes, automatically without any manual efforts, the lead is added with the same email. And I'm going to go towards view and here we can see we have all the details. This means our connection is absolutely successful and also our workflow is running fine. So for your business, you can also very easily create this amazing automation for adding the leads directly from your website through contact form 7 towards your email marketing application, Mailercloud. Mailercloud was just the example of email marketing application, but you can use any of the application which you are using for your business like this in the same manner. I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.